Welcome to EdbMails Office 365 Migration, a complete step-by-step guide. EdbMails Office 365 migration software is a simple and secure software for your Office 365 migration requirement. EdbMails guarantees a secure migration by employing modern authentication methods, including SSL/TLS encryption, OAuth 2.0, and multi-factor authentication. Certified with ISO and compliant with GDPR and HIPAA, EdbMails ensures that your data remains secure. EdbMails boosts Office 365 migration performance with support of concurrent mailbox migration, incremental migration with ability to automatically manage Office 365 throttling enhances overall migration speed. From start to completion, follow the steps for a smooth migration of your mailboxes using EdbMails. Step 1. Download and install EdbMails. Download EdbMails from the official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process on your system. Step 2. Launch EdbMails and connect to Source Office 365 server. Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select the Office 365 migration option from the drop-down list. Click Let's Go. Connect to your Office 365 source server. Select the required migration operation. Click Continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Continue. Select the mailboxes you want to migrate from the source Office 365 server. Now, click the Migrate to Office 365 button to connect with your target Office 365 server. Step 3. Connect to target Office 365 server. Connect to Office 365 target server. Select the required migration operation. Click Continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Continue. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. Step 4. Map source and target mailboxes. EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. You can apply filters for folders and items. For example, migrate only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read-unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders. Click Save. Click Continue. Step 5. Start Office 365 to Office 365 migration. Give a name for migration job. Click Continue to initiate the migration process. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Log button to get migration reports. That's it. For a hassle-free Office 365 migration, visit edbmails.com today.